morning, students. Today we are going to start the subject Principles of Management. So, as engineering students, we too have to know the concept of management and what are all the principles we are going to apply to follow the management thing, right? So, management is an important concept that is used in every organization such as companies, industries, hospitals, and even educational institutions. In simple way, we can explain that management means getting work done through the people in an organized way, which is called as management. It involves planning the work, organizing resources, directing people, and coordinating activities to achieve organizational goals very effectively. So here in this subject we have 5 units. First unit is overview of management. In this unit we need to know what are the importance of management and levels of management and functions of managements, and the management can be considered as a science or an art. Everything we can know from this unit, and what are the ethical issues placed in management. So these things we can learn from this unit. And unit 2 is planning. So here two important things we can learn from this unit. So what is meant by objective and how the management is done through the objective. So that is management by objective. And then decision making. In management, decision making has an important role. So that these two concepts can be studied in planning units. And in organizing, third unit is organizing. So in organizing we need to know what are the nature and purpose of organizing, and delegation of authority, and staff selection process, and training method, and performance appraisal method. So all those things can be studied in organizing unit. And the fourth unit is directing. So it has two main topics. One is leadership, and what are all the leadership theories available and leadership styles. Everything we can learn from this unit. And the main thing is communication. To manage everything we to have a strong communication, and that thing we can learn from this directing unit. And finally the fifth unit is controlling. So here what are all the control process steps and need for control system, and what are all the control techniques available, and what are all the essential effective control system can be placed in management concept, and what are all the benefits of control. Those things can be learned from controlling unit, right? So before entering into the first unit, we must know what is meant by management. We have to know what is meant by management or definition of management. So management is a process of planning, decision making, organizing, leading, and motivating and controlling the human resources, financial and physical information, and available resources. Everything can be effectively used to achieve the organization goal is called as management, right? So this is the definition of management. In simple way we can explain the management as the process of dealing with or controlling things or people is called as management. So for example, in our college we are organizing a symposium or cultural event. Means many activities are required, such as planning the program, forming the committees, guiding students, and checking whether everything is going according to the plan. So all these activities together called as management, right? And in this course we will learn about the basic principles and functions of management, such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These concepts will help you to develop leadership skills and improve decision making ability. And finally, I hope this subject will help you to understand how organization functions and how effective management lead you to success. So before learning the first unit, let us discuss what are the importance of management. So there are eight points to say the concept of importance of management. So first one is achievement of organizational goals and optimum utilization of resources, efficiency and productivity, coordination of activities, motivation to employees, adapting to changes, discipline and order, development of society. So first thing, importance of management. It helps in achieving group goals. So this is called importance of management. So and also it directs group effort towards achievement of predetermined goals. So every management or organization will have a goal. To reach that, what are all the things we have to follow in effective manner to achieve that goal is called as an management. So first point is achievement of organizational goal. So management helps organizations to achieve their goals by planning, organizing, directing and controlling all activities in effective manner. So this is achievement of organizational goals. So optimum utilization of resources. So whatever may be the resources, either manpower or money or material or machines, so everything has to be utilized in effective manner to reach the goal of the organization. So we need to reduce the wastage and we have to utilize the resources in effective manner. So which is the important of management. And next point is improves efficiency and productivity. So management will help to improve the efficiency and productivity of organization. So proper management will increase employee productivity and organizational performance. And coordination of activities. So management will help to coordinate the work of different departments to ensure smooth functioning of all the works to be done. And motivation of employees through leadership skill. We have to motivate the employees to get to do the works or to complete the work in effective manner, through which the organization goal will effectively achieved. So through leadership or in incentives and communication, management motivates employees. And adapting to changes. We all know that changes are always permanent. So whatever may be the technological updates, we have to accept for the change and accordingly we have to work so that we can reach our goal in whatever the way we need. And maintains discipline and order. So that is in management we have to follow some rules, policies, procedure for systematic work, right? So these are all the main points that covers the importance of management in an organization. And finally, development of societies. So that is efficient management contributes to economic development, employment generation and better utilization of resources. So these are all the 8 important key points in a management. So finally we conclude that management plays a vital role in the success of any organization by ensuring effective use of resources, coordination of activities and achievement of goals, right? Thank you, students. In tomorrow's class or in next class, let us discuss the management functions. Thank you.